Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today in this session, we'll see the structure of spermatozoa. Already in the previous session, we have discussed about the spermatogenesis process. Let's try to understand the structure of the spermatozoa in this session. Okay, right. So generally, these spermatozoa or sperm cells are composed of three parts. What are they? One is the head region, and another one is the middle piece, and another one is the tail region. If we observe the sperm cell, this sperm cell is covered by one membrane which is called plasma membrane. Okay, right. So this head region of the sperm cell is made up of two parts mainly. One is the nucleus and another one is the acrosome. Nucleus and another one is the acrosome. Acrosome, this acrosome is composed of Golgi complex. Okay, this acrosome is composed of what? Golgi complex, and this acrosome contains lytic enzymes. Okay, these enzymes help in the penetration process at the time of fertilization. So like this acrosome helps to penetrate the sperm cell into the ovum at the time of fertilization process. Okay, just below the head there is another region which is called neck. Okay, this is a narrow region which connects the head and as well as the middle piece. So this middle piece and head is connected by this neck region. Okay, if we observe the middle piece, this middle piece generally contains what? One axial filament. This axial filament is surrounded by mitochondria, and as well as cytoplasm is also there. Okay, this axial filament, middle filament, central filament is there. Central axial filament is surrounded by what? Mitochondria and as well as cytoplasm. Okay, and these mitochondria generally generate the energy. So while the spermatozoa moving in the female reproductive tract, at that time they require energy. So that energy is generated by what? Mitochondria. Okay, so next the another part is the last part. This is the tail part. This tail part also contains what? Central axial filament. Okay, and this tail part generally helps in the motility, means the movement in the female reproductive tract, and it can this tail can also change the direction of the sperm cell. Okay, in one at the time of ejaculation of the sperm cells, in one ejaculation 300 million sperm cells are released. How many sperm cells are released? 300 sperm cells are released in one ejaculation. Just in one ejaculation, how many sperm cells are released? 300 million sperm cells are released. In these 300 sperm cells, 60% of the sperm cells must show proper shape and size to fertilize the ovum. Understand? Proper shape and size, normal shape and size, 60% of the cells if they have, and 40% must show the vigorous movement, then only they can fertilize the ovum cell. So this is about what? This is about the structure of the spermatozoa. I hope you understood this, right? So spermatozoa or sperm cell is composed of head, middle piece and tail. Head is composed of again two parts. Middle piece contains axial filament, mitochondria and cytoplasm, and tail region contains what? Axial, central axial filament. Okay, this is about the spermatozoa. If you like my session, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next session, we will see the oogenesis process. Thank you.